Welcome back to the Drive Expert. Today we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated 2026-27 Toyota Fortuner Legender SUV, a name that has become synonymous with rugged capability, premium styling, and dependable everyday performance. The upcoming Fortuner Legender is expected to push the formula further with a more modern design, stronger road presence, improved technology, and a more refined cabin while keeping the tough SUV character that has made the Fortuner so popular. From the first look, the redesigned model is imagined with a sharper and more aggressive front fascia, a larger and more distinctive grille, slim LED headlights, redesigned daytime running lights, and a muscular bumper that gives the UV an even wider appearance. The Legender treatment should continue to focus on a sportier and more premium personality, with sleek body lines, bold alloy wheels, a high ground clearance stance, and a powerful rear design featuring modern LED lighting. The overall appearance could make the 2026-27 Fortuner Legender look more sophisticated than the current generation while still maintaining that unmistakable Toyota SUV identity. Inside, the biggest story could be the move toward a more premium and technology-focused cabin. The 2026-27 Toyota Fortuner Legender is expected to offer an updated dashboard with a large central infotainment display, a digital or partially digital driver information system, improved connectivity, wireless smartphone integration, and a more modern center console. Higher quality materials, upgraded upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and improved finishing could give the cabin a more upscale atmosphere. Because the Fortuner is known for its practicality, the new model is expected to retain a spacious three-row layout, giving families the flexibility to carry multiple passengers while still offering useful cargo space when the rear seats are folded. The Legender variant could also receive additional comfort features such as powered front seats, automatic climate control, premium audio, wireless charging, multiple USB charging points, and a larger panoramic-style roof depending on market and specification. From a review perspective, this is an important area for Toyota because buyers in the premium SUV segment increasingly expect advanced technology and luxury features alongside durability. Performance should remain one of the Fortuner's biggest strengths. Depending on the market, the 2026-27 Fortuner Legender could continue with a turbocharged diesel powertrain, while other markets may receive gasoline or hybrid-related options as Toyota expands electrification across its lineup. A refined automatic transmission would likely be paired with the engine, while four-wheel drive versions should remain highly desirable for buyers who want genuine off-road ability. The Fortuner's body-on-frame architecture gives it a different character from many crossover SUVs, and that rugged foundation is expected to remain a key part of its identity. The combination of strong low-end torque, high ground clearance, capable suspension, and four-wheel drive technology could make the new Legender equally comfortable cruising on highways and tackling rougher terrain. Toyota could also improve steering, suspension tuning, cabin insulation, and ride comfort to make the next-generation SUV feel more refined during everyday driving. For off-road enthusiasts, the Fortuner Legender could remain one of the most interesting choices in its segment. A capable four-wheel drive system, terrain-focused driving modes, strong approach and departure angles, and durable chassis construction would help maintain the SUV's reputation for tackling difficult roads. At the same time, the redesigned model is expected to focus more heavily on on-road comfort, which could make it a better all-around family SUV. The ideal Fortuner Legender needs to deliver both worlds: the toughness required for challenging conditions and the refinement expected from a modern premium SUV. If Toyota manages to improve both areas without compromising reliability, the 2026-27 model could become a very compelling package. Safety and driver assistance should also receive significant attention. The new Fortuner Legender is expected to feature an expanded collection of Toyota safety technologies, potentially including adaptive cruise control, pre-collision warning and braking assistance, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, parking sensors, a surround view camera system, and improved stability control technology. Depending on the market, a stronger body structure and multiple airbags could further enhance occupant protection. These features would be especially important because the Fortuner competes in a market where buyers increasingly expect advanced safety technology rather than relying solely on traditional mechanical toughness. When it comes to the driving experience, the 2026-27 Fortuner Legender should appeal to people who want something more substantial than a conventional crossover. Its elevated driving position provides excellent visibility, while the body-on-frame platform gives the SUV a solid and commanding feel. The trade-off is that a traditional SUV architecture can feel heavier and less car-like than a unibody crossover, but that same construction brings advantages in durability and off-road capability. Toyota's challenge will be finding the right balance between ruggedness and refinement. If the new model delivers quieter highway cruising, improved suspension comfort, responsive acceleration, and better handling without sacrificing its off-road character, it could be one of the most well-rounded Fortuners yet. Styling will likely be another major reason buyers consider the Legender. The Legender name has traditionally represented a more distinctive and premium interpretation of the Fortuner, and the upcoming model could take that idea even further, with a sharper front end, aggressive LED lighting, sportier bumpers, larger wheels, darker exterior accents, and a more sculpted body. A premium two-tone appearance could also enhance the visual impact. The result should be an SUV that looks equally appropriate outside a luxury hotel on a highway or on a rough mountain road. As for pricing, Toyota has not officially confirmed final specifications and pricing for every market, so any figures circulating online should be treated carefully. The final price will depend heavily on the country, engine, drivetrain, trim level, taxes, and equipment. The Legender is expected to sit toward the premium end of the Fortuner range, but its value proposition could remain strong if Toyota combines advanced technology, reliable mechanicals, strong resale appeal, and genuine off-road capability. In terms of competition, the Fortuner continues to face rivals such as the Ford Everest, Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, Isuzu MU-X, and other regional 7-seat SUVs. The Fortuner's biggest advantage remains its combination of Toyota's reputation, rugged construction, practicality, and broad appeal. Overall, the 2026-27 Toyota Fortuner Legender could represent an important evolution rather than simply another cosmetic update. The strongest version would combine a tougher and more premium exterior, a modern technology-filled interior, improved comfort, powerful and efficient powertrains, advanced safety systems, and the proven ruggedness expected from a Fortuner. If Toyota delivers on those expectations, the new Legender could become one of the most desirable 7-seat SUVs for buyers who want luxury and technology without giving up durability and off-road confidence. Here at The Drive Expert, our early verdict is that the 2026-27 Toyota Fortuner Legender has the potential to be a major step forward, especially if Toyota improves refinement and technology while preserving the toughness that made the Fortuner famous. Keep in mind that some details discussed here are expectations and projections until Toyota officially confirms the final production specifications. For everything from upcoming SUVs and futuristic concepts to the latest automotive updates and reviews, stay connected with The Drive Expert.